I remember liking snow days a lot more when I was a kid than I do now. Emily's school got canceled for today and tomorrow already. And Jose's home early from work. My mom is here. Her work is closed too. So we're just having an awesome indoor day. But we have to go outside now and shovel. Jose's already outside, but I'm making him some breakfast so that he can eat because he doesn't eat anything. And Emily's outside playing. So yeah, this is probably going to be a snowy vlog. There's Lucas, nice and warm.
Yeah, over here. Jump. Like this. For the first time Jump. Yeah, good job. For the first time forever, I'll be dancing through the night.
He likes to crash him down and then stand him back up. So thank you, Theo.
Yeah.
Unless you want one too, and I'll give you a full order. 3.
No.
Just a
Toma, la mano.
Lucas.
Hold it in your hand. Mira, tratando de hacer lo que yo hago. Diga, ah, ok, está bien. Más para mí. La cabra. Cabra. El perro. ¿Quién hace miau? El gato. No, it's like, look.
Yeah, they're pretty low. Back outside. Stand still. Who's gonna back up? He's kind of stuck, baby. His car's smaller.
Okay, what are you?
Oh, he's
Oh,
pulling.
he's doing the backup.
Uh-oh. He's just parking there? How to navigate around snowy streets in Boston. Uh-oh. Ooh, we're home and we're gonna read a book. Ready? ¿Dónde está el perrito? Muy bien. ¿Dónde está el gato? ¿Dónde está el gato? El gato está aquí. ¿Dónde está el mono? ¿Dónde está el mono? Muy bien. ¿Y el elefante? ¿Dónde está el elefante? Muy bien. ¿Dónde está el tigre? Un tigre. ¿Dónde está el tigre? Bravo. I don't think I've ever been more excited for a weekend to be over than I am right now. I think, pretty sure this whole week is going to be above 30 degrees, which I'm excited about because it's been in the negatives the past few days. I haven't really even been able to take Lucas out much because it's just too cold. We had a snowstorm, a blizzard on Thursday. Thursday and then Friday, of course, was kind of yucky out. And then, so we were in Thursday, Friday. And then Saturday, Lucas had his gymnastics class. So we took him to that and that was fun. But then we came right home. Actually, did we come right home? No, we went to breakfast. We went to breakfast. Today we went out to breakfast with Jose's brother and his nephew, which was a lot of fun. And then we came home. We did a lot of eating out this weekend. We went to Longhorns for dinner, which is so delicious. They make the best sweet potato in the world. Well, them and Texas Roadhouse. But I do like the Longhorn one because we can get the apple pie dessert. So yummy. One of my goals for this year is to read more. I used to be an avid reader. Like I read a lot for fun. And then when I started to do schoolwork, I was reading to learn, which wasn't fun at all. And then after school, I just kind of stopped reading. But I'm going to read this book. It is by Ariana Huffington, and it's Thrive. My brother-in-law gave it to me a few years ago, but I never read it. So I'm gonna read it. Hopefully I like it, and hopefully it'll get me rolling again with some reading. I'm whispering because Jose is trying to put Lucas to sleep, and I don't want to wake him up. So yeah, we're gonna read this. Speaking of goals, I put up a post on Friday on my blog. I'll leave it linked in the description and probably in the eye. It's just a little bit of a chat on goals and about me uploading here on Mondays and Thursdays, and then on my blog on Fridays. So far so good. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel so that you will be notified when I upload a new video, which will be on Thursday. And leave me a comment down below letting me know what you are reading, because I need some ideas on more books. See you Thursday.